inside our body we can't see, we cannot see, are called internal organs. You know, stomach, brain, lungs and head. Sorry, brain, stomach, lungs and heart. These all are our internal parts of our body. One will come here and tell functions of the parts of our body. Kritika, come here. Tell me functions of our brain.
Brain helps think and remember the things.
Very good. Come. Take one. Heart. Come here.
Heart pumps blood to power all body parts.
Very good.
Of largest two-digit number is 100. Now you will solve this. Find the successor of largest three-digit number. So largest three-digit number is 999. So write 999 and find its successor. So which number comes after 999? 1000. Okay, start to solve this one. First write this and then solve the next one.
पीछे दो बड़े बड़े पर्वत थे। पीछे से सूरज चमक रहा है। पीछे एक घर दिख रहा है। पूरा चित्र हरा भरा है। थैंक यू। इस चित्र में बहुत सारे पीछे से पर्वत है। इस चित्र में दो हरे भरे पेड़ हैं। इस चित्र में एक घर नजर आ रहा है। दो पर्वत के बीच से एक सूर्य निकलता हुआ दिख रहा है। ये दो बच्चे पाठशाला
Say the alphabet order. ABCD.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T.
Okay. Enough. Now we have arranged the words in alphabetical order. Who is balloon? Come here. Who is camera? Who is doll? Who is
Family. In our family, we are live with our grandparents, parents, uncle, aunts, cousins, and our siblings. So there are two types of family. First, nuclear family, and second one, joint family. So in joint family includes grandfather, grandmother, aunt, uncles, and cousins. They are included in joint family. This is the bigger family. But in our nuclear family includes father, mother, and myself. So nuclear family is the
about the luminous and non-luminous objects. Okay, so luminous objects give us light. Non-luminous objects do not produce light. Okay, there are three different types of non-luminous objects: transparent,
Translucent
and opaque. Okay, now how shadow is formed, that I will explain. Okay, you can see what is this. This is a ball. Hold it here. Okay, I will hold this ball. So ball is which kind of non-luminous object? Can it pass the light?
Opaque.
So it's opaque object. Opaque. Okay. Hold it. Let it shadow. Now.
विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वृक्ष जर नसेल तर आपल्याला काय होईल हे तुम्हाला माहितच आहे. आणि वृक्ष काय आहेत आपले मित्र आहेत. वृक्ष आपल्याला काय देतात? वृक्ष आपल्याला फळे, पाणी, फुले, फळे, ऑक्सिजन, हो की नाही? देतात की नाही आपल्याला?
जर नसतील तर काय होईल बरं? कोण सांगेल? हा?
शुद्ध हवा व ऑक्सिजन मिळणार नाही व त्यामुळे श्वास घेणे कठीण होईल. पर्यावरणाचे संतुलन बिघडेल, तापमान खूप वाढेल, पावसाचे प्रमाण कमी होईल.
We are going to start and your topic is online learning is better than classroom learning. Understood? Online learning or classroom learning, which is better? You have to explain. So we are going to start debate. Yes? Here as you won the toss. Yes.
And online learning is that we cannot understand the concept properly, but in offline we can understand the concept properly, and if we have doubts we can ask our teachers directly also.
Okay. Yes.
Sometimes students are not focused and keep talking on
Yeah.
I mean, online learning they can study, but they cannot focus in everything. But in classroom, we can focus on blackboard and we can ask questions as well.
Correct. Yes.
And I think that we cannot focus on online learning if we do the right.
ओके अगर आप कोई रास्ते से जा रहा है, उसके आप जेब से पैसे गिरे तो आप उसका क्या करेंगे?
मैं उससे एनिमल्स के लिए खाना खरीदूंगा और उन्हें खिला दूंगा.
मैं मेरे दोस्तों को दूंगा. मैं किसी गरीब को दे दूंगा.
सर मैं पुलिस में जाऊंगा और वो पैसे पुलिस को दे दूंगा और वो पुलिस उस आदमी को दे दूंगा.
मैं किसी देवस्थान की दान पेटी में उसे दान कर दूंगा. मैं उस इंसान को ढूंढने की कोशिश करूंगी और अगर मुझे वो नहीं मिला तो मैं वो गरीबों को दान कर दूंगी.
Of medieval period or somewhat of modern period. Here on this point you might have got this in the scripted here. This I think this is the very oldest point which was used in the medieval period. Here you can get to see the curving images which are curved. So these are the one of the main information sources, a part of information sources. Which are the two types of sources we have seen in the previous session?
Non-literacy
Non-literacy and literacy sources. So this is the part of
अरे आपण आपलं मत पटवून देणार आहोत. तर मग त्याच्यासाठी आपण कोणता पॉईंट घेतलेला आहे? मोबाईल. ओके, मोबाईलच्या आहे की वरदान आहे हे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? थोडक्यामध्ये सांगायचं आहे. ओके, मग आता एक जण मोबाईलचे चांगले पॉईंट सांगतील, चांगली गुण सांगतील, काही वाईट गुण सांगतील, तर ते आपण बघणार आहोत. चला दोन जणी या इथे.
मी मोबाईलचे चांगले गुण सांगणार आहे. मोबाईलमध्ये आपण आपल्या आठवणी साठवून ठेवू शकतो व त्या आठवणींची जर आपल्याला आठवण आली तर आपण त्या लगेच मोबाईल उघडून ते बघू शकतो. मी वाईट गोष्टी सांगणार आहे. मोबाईल जास्त बघितल्याने आपले डोळे खराब होतात व
Visited on Tuesday, then on Wednesday, how many people visited on Wednesday? Okay, who will solve? Raise hand. Raise hand. Okay, come. Thank you. I would like to do the ready.
shopkeeper and environmentalist. Scene 1. Discussion in classroom. Student.
We are here to discuss should plastic be banned or not. Let's see everyone's opinion.
Scientist.
Plastic is useful for material to recycle. It harms the soil, water, and animals. We have to reduce its use.
Shopkeeper.
I understand the problem, but the plastic is cheaper and convenient. If plastic is banned, I will need affordable alternatives.
Environmentalist. Plastic pollution is a serious issue. Animals eat plastic and then die. Our environment is being damaged. We must all stop using
In 1998, he was awarded with the British Chess Federation Book of the Year award for his book, My Best Games of Chess.
You know a lot about the Grandmaster in chess.
Yes, it is because I'm a great fan of Vishwanathan Anand and I read a lot about her.
Okay, tell me, what been his inspiration behind this sport?
His mother, Sushila Vishwanathan, she is considered a role model parent in India because she molded the chess career of 5-time world champion Vishwanathan Anand. She taught him the moves when he was just 5 and always accompanied him in tournaments.
We get Cartesian plane. Now we all have seen how to locate points in Cartesian plane. So here I have given some points. One by one we will come here and locate the points on Cartesian plane. So first point 0, 4. Where it will be located? On Y. So who will locate it? Locate the point 0, 4. Very good. Second point who will locate 1, 4. One, 4. Third point 1, 9.
ये विषय रहेगा प्राचीन भारत. Your time will be start now.
तो हमारा पॉइंट है आधुनिक भारत. आधुनिक भारत में बहुत प्रगति, प्राचीन भारत के मुकाबले बहुत प्रगति हुई है, जिससे हमारा काम आसान हुआ है और हम सुशिक्षित भी हुए.
प्राचीन भारत मस्त पॉइंट. प्राचीन युग में लोगों के अंदर या वैदिक ज्ञान ज्यादा होता था, आयुर्वेदिक ज्ञान ज्यादा होता था, जिससे वो ज्यादा देर भी जी पाते थे. ना कि इस आधुनिक की वजह से, मशीन की वजह से लोग 50-60 साल भी जी नहीं पाते. पिछले लोग 100 साल जीते थे.
Raise your hand, those who know the answers. Yes. Go there and write the type of motion. Give him chalk. Second, who will answer? Go ahead. Yes. Third, go ahead.
संवाद कौशल्यासाठी मी तृप्तीला माझा आवडता छंद हा विषय देते. तर तृप्तीने माझा आवडता छंद या विषयावर तिचे 2 शब्द बोला. माझा आवडता छंद चित्रकला आहे. मला लहानपणापासूनच चित्र काढायला खूप आवडतं. चित्र काढून आपण आपल्या मनातल्या भावना कागदावर उतरू शकतो. तुम्ही पण कधी चित्र काढण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. तुम्हाला तुमचं पण चांगलं समाधान वाटेल. चित्र काढणं ही एक कलाच नाही, पण आपल्या मनातल्या भावना व्यक्त करण्यासाठी एक खूप छान गोष्ट आहे. तुम्ही पण कधी चित्र काढण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. तुम्हाला पण खूप छान वाटेल.
Countries and whichever the attributes are there, that is also given here. Then sustainable development of states and countries, that also we are going to discuss. So start completing this mind map based on development.
Squad, Master Saman Kurude, Master Dev Sundare, Master Samiti Pal, Master Service Chatular, members of the Judges Squad. Then Information Squad, myself, Master Nachiket Gawani, Master Bhavesh Gol, Master Shwam Gawala, and third, Vivek and advising squad members are Master Rudra Sundar, Master Sarthak Mendire, Master Sarvani Waman, and Master Rashid Chattar. This
Curiosity is the wish of the candle of learning.
as said by William Watt. So it perfectly describes the nature of Richard Arkwright, who was a young mind that turned his fascination with butterflies into a scientific discovery.